guys, and welcome back to YGreyParrot e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today I thought of doing something a little different. So, we will be attending quiz. So I'll give you 20 seconds time to get your answers ready. Let's get on to the quiz. The first question is, which part of the brain is responsible for memory storage? I'll give you 20 seconds time. So calm down and relax and get your answers ready. I hope you got the answer right. And the answer is limbic system. Now let's get on to the second question. What is brainstem responsible for? And again, I'll give you 20 seconds time so you can figure out your answers. Got your answer ready, and the answer is digestive system. Now let's move on to our next question, and our next question is, how many lobes in cerebrum? What are they? So again, I'll give you 20 seconds time to figure out your answers. Wow, did you get your answers ready? Well then, let's move on to our answer. 4 lobes: frontal lobe, parital lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. And they are the 4 lobes in our cerebrum. Now to our next question. How many hemispheres are there? And what are they? So again, I'll give you 20 seconds time. Now let me tell you the answer. There's 2 hemispheres, left hemisphere and a right hemisphere. Remember what I told in the brain video? Our left hemisphere controls our right side of the body, and our right hemisphere controls our left side of the body. And our next question is, what are the 2 kind of tissues in our brain? Again, I'll give you 20 seconds to get your answer ready. Did you get your answers ready? And it is gray matter and white matter. Remember what I said in my brain video? White matter is like glue and it connects gray matter. Gray matter contains all neurons. Hope you got it. Thank you for watching. And don't worry if you didn't know some answers. Head over to my brain video and watch it again. It's not the end of the world. You can still learn more. So, like, comment, and share with your friends. And subscribe. And happy learning!